buying a home can be a challenge, but it may be getting a little easier for first-time homebuyers, especially with lower mortgage insurance fees on the way. President Barack Obama announced this month that the Federal Housing Administration will reduce mortgage insurance premiums by 0.5%.
In the past, before we had this great news about that rate being lowered, they were paying 130 basis points, which really translates to 1.3% of the loan.
This means significant savings for homebuyers.
Under the old system, for a $400,000 loan, you would have been paying about $5,200 annually. So that's a good chunk of money on top of what you're already paying in interest with the loan, because your loan is consisting of the principal and the interest. With the new system, this brings the new rate down to 80 basis points. So that means you're paying less than 1% of the loan annually. So that brings the new cost, it brings it down from $5,200 to $3,200.
Typically, homebuyers can avoid mortgage insurance fees if they're able to make a 20% down payment on the home. And those who fall short are often first-time buyers, Rattray says.
For those people, the loans they're going to borrow more than 80% of the house value. So they might be borrowing 90%, let's say. And in those cases, the banks or the lenders, they consider that a higher risk loan, so they want to be covered with private mortgage insurance.
But now those lower insurance rates will give more people a shot at home ownership.
So maybe a lot of people that would not have thought about buying before because the numbers weren't working, maybe that's just enough to say the numbers work for me, the savings is significant. Compared to renting, I might be saving $5,000 or $10,000 a year. That's significant, right? So I want to make that investment.
Which has a positive impact all around, says Rattray.
Anything that encourages home ownership is fantastic. And I not only say that because I'm in the business. I really say that because home ownership creates the stability and the investment in communities. It creates a much stronger social environment so people can thrive in all other aspects of their lives.
Whether you're a first-time home buyer or more experienced, Rattray says it's always important to be properly informed. You can find out more about Keller Williams Realty and Patricia Rattray at patriciarattrayrealtygroup.com. I'm Samantha McKelvey reporting for It's Relevant News.